Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to English class for today. Today we will continue to review set on sound for the video. We still need one piece of paper, one pen or pencil. First, I would like you to look at the object and try to guess which sound we are going to review today. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Whale.
What is this? Is
It's a whale.
well.
It's a watch.
Yes, right.
It's
Is a windmill.
windmill.
Is a windmill.
Windmill.
Oh, what's missing?
It's a whale.
Is a well. Is that right? Oh, now what's missing?
It's a windmill.
Yes, windmill. And that's what missing.
It's a watch.
Well done, Admin. Okay, so what sound we are going to review today? Can you guess? What sound?
W.
It's a letter W, but what is the sound?
W.
Wah, wah, wah. Is that right? Read after me. Wah, wah, wah.
W. W. W.
Right. It's a pulsing sound. Wah, 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 wum.
W. 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 Wum.
And okay, when you write wah, 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 wum. Down, up. Can you say it? Wah, 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 wum.
Wum.
Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, now I want you to point the finger and practice saying. With your magic finger.
Down, up, down, up.
Wow, well done. Okay, now can you do it slowly to begin with wum. Down, up. Well done. With the finger. Wum. Down, up. Well done. Now it's time to do it quickly. Can you do it quickly? Yeah, quick. Down, up. Again. Whoa, down, up. Again. Use your magic finger. Down, up. Say it louder.
Down, up, down, up.
Well done. Now, boy, girl, now I would like you to get a pencil and a piece of paper and would like you to practice. Wah. At least 10 times. If you have the board, you can write on the board. Now it's time to practice reading.
Wing.
Right.
Web.
Yes.
Walk.
Well done, Yasmin. Can you say it again?
Wing. Web. Walk.
Okay, well done. We are finished to review the sound word. And now it's time for you to do the activity. Goodbye. See you. Bye-bye. You say goodbye, everyone.